In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change password in QuickBooks Online. Keeping your QuickBooks password up to date is one of the simplest ways to protect your financial data. Whether you're tightening security or just doing routine maintenance, I'll walk you through the exact clicks and share a few quick tips so you feel confident from start to finish. First, open QuickBooks Online in your browser and sign in as you normally would. Make sure you're on the official site and that you recognize the login page. If you're on a shared computer, consider using a private browsing window and confirm any browser prompts to save or not save your credentials based on your organization's policy. Once you're signed in and on your company home screen, you're ready for the next move. Look to the upper right corner of the screen. Next to the settings gear, you'll see your account icon, which might show your initial or a profile image. Click that account icon to open your account menu. From there, choose the option labeled Manage Your Intuit Account. This takes you out of the product and into your account profile where security settings live, so don't worry if the interface looks a little different. A new tab will open with your account details. For security, you may be asked to verify yourself by entering your current password before you can make changes. Go ahead and confirm your current password. After verification, you'll see the option to update your password. When prompted, type your current password, then enter a new password and confirm it. Choose a strong passphrase that's at least 8 to 12 characters, mixing upper and lower case letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid using common words, personal information, or anything you reuse on other sites. When everything looks good, select Save or Update to apply the change. If you don't remember your current password, use the Forgot Password link on the verification screen and follow the on-screen instructions to reset it securely. You might also be asked for a verification code. That's normal and helps keep your account protected. After saving, your password is updated. You may be signed out in your current or other sessions, which is expected. Sign back in with your new password and make sure it works. Consider updating your password manager so you don't get locked out later. And if you're on a shared device, sign out when you're done. That's it. You've successfully changed your QuickBooks Online password and strengthened your account security. Thanks for watching, and take a moment to review your other security settings while you're in your account to keep everything locked down.